You know, Maria,
Hmm?
it's nice to have someone like you by my side. Nothing beautiful as you will make me turn away from you.
Aw, thanks. You know, the other relationship I had with other men didn't last this long. So, babe, can you promise one thing for me?
Of course. What is it?
Can you promise me you won't turn me away? That it won't be like the sixth time being cheated?
You've been cheated 5 times?
Yeah, I don't want it to be the sixth time. So, will it be us forever? Till death do us part?
Of course, babe. You're the best woman to ever have in my life. Nothing can ever change that. Not even an abundance amount of money. Maria, I love you for life.
I love you too, Harrison.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oh no, not you again.
Yeah, that's right. You know what time it is. Get up and let's spar.
Johnny, go away. We're in the middle of something here.
No! I'm still mad at you both for having some black gang jump me last time at school. And if you would have kept your mouth shut and stopped rubbing your cock in my face, then I would have spared your life. But you sat there and laughed anyway. So we gonna fight right here, right now.
What? You still mad because you got your ass jumped? Don't get mad because you assaulted my girl by her color. You the one who called my girl the hard N-word. And you know black people don't take that shit well. So, it's your own fault.
I don't give a shit. How can you even see her at night? She dark as fuck.
Bitch, stop making fun of my skin color.
What you gonna do, nigga? How does it feel, nigga?
So you ain't gonna apologize.
Fuck no. On second thought, I'll just go ahead and apologize. Never mind. I'll come back to you later. Harrison, get up now!
No,
Get up!
no, go away!
No! Make me, bitch! Make me! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Let's go!
Yeah, you should definitely work extra hours, you know?
I don't know. I don't really feel like sitting in front of the computer screen the whole time. Well, I guess I can give it a shot.
That's the spirit. Hold on. No. They at it again. God damn it. When are they gonna get along? I don't know, but I think we should do something about it.
Yeah, they gotta at least try to make peace. But how can we accomplish this?
Ah, I have an epiphany. Let's have a father and son's day. We'll get them to hang out and see if they can at least make peace.
I don't know. You sure that's gonna work?
I'm positive. This has to work.
Well, probably the other ideas wouldn't work due to John's behavior. Alright, let's give it a go.
Okay. But first, let's stop this fight.
Okay, so you want to have a father and son's day with the Robinsons?
Yes, I know this sounds crazy, but me and Mr. Robinson thought he could teach both of you to get along.
I don't know. Johnny is a bit stubborn. Well, you know what? All the way stubborn.
Yeah, I know. You want to tell me what happened back there?
Well, you know how Johnny holds grudges?
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Well, he wanted to fight me because Johnny got jumped by some black people because he called my girlfriend a hard N-word. I'm telling you, he's racist as fuck.
Wow. Well, it's his damn fault he was being racist. He should have never called your girl an offensive word that shall never come out of our mouth.
Exactly. This man had problems. But anyways, enough talking. Let's go get this over with.
Okay, son, let's roll.
Dad, why the fuck is we hanging out with those pricks? You know damn well I don't like them.
Bend that ass.
Huh?
Bend that ass. Come on, bend it. I'm gonna hit you 3 times. No. No, move your hand. Move your motherfucking hand. Move your motherfucking hand. 2. Move. Move your fucking hand. 3. Now, the reason why we hanging out with the Smiths because we are tired of you and Harrison always fighting over dumb shit. Now we're doing this whenever you like it or not.
But Dad, I hate Harrison. Like, hate Harrison.
I don't give a damn if you love him. You're gonna have some fun with him, and that's final. Now get in the fucking car. Got an attitude?
No.
Then get in the car, you wig wearing head ass bitch.
So Dad, where are we going first?
I figured we'd hang out the old fashioned way. So, we're going fishing.
Ooh, I like fishing.
That's good. I knew you enjoy fishing. And let's just hope Johnny does too.
Yeah, I hear you.
Dad, here's my question. Theodore is your son, right?
Yeah?
Then why didn't you take him instead of me? That would still be a father-son's day.
Because 1, Theodore is with your mom right now. They're enjoying themselves. And 2, this Father and Son's Day is between you and Harrison. This trip is teaching both of you how to become friends.
Well, I don't want to become friends with him, so turn this car around right now.
No.
Turn this fucking car around now, or I'll make you.
No. If you touch this wheel, I swear to God. What the fuck is your problem? You trying to get both of us killed?
Well, that's one way to avoid going on this lame-ass trip. Where are we even going?
We're going fishing.
Really? Fishing? That's the best y'all can come up with? We could have chosen something else, like playing video games, smoking, robbing banks, and etc.
First of all, we ain't doing none of that shit. And second, back in our days, we didn't even have all those technologies you guys have nowadays. So therefore, we're going to hang out the old school way.
By playing with sticks and rocks?
No, to play with your mama. Now shut up until we arrive. You're consuming the showtime.
Breaking the fourth wall of my show is crazy. But whatever. If this go downhill, just don't say I didn't warn you.
Fix your damn face. Fix your damn face. Okay, got the fire started? Yep, nice and cozy. This was an awesome idea having our son catch some fishes. Look at them go. Yeah, I hope they are getting along well.
Johnny, can you stop staring at me? It's making me uncomfortable.
So, I don't care.
You know what? I'll just keep on fishing.
something.
Well, what are you waiting for, son? Reel it in.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, man. It's too stubborn. Man, you weak as fuck.
Johnny, have patience.
Whatever, all I know is that he is weak. Dad, I got one! It's the red snapper!
Wow, son. Good job.
Yeah. Now it's my turn. Why is it taking too long?
Gotta have patience, son. Fishes don't come that fast.
Yeah, Johnny. It'll happen soon. Nobody is talking to you, nerd.
Hey, that's my son you're talking to.
You shut up, nerd number 2.
Johnny, be nice. Harrison was trying to motivate you. There's no need for hostility.
More like flexing on my face just because he got a good fish. Wait, I got something.
Reel it in.
And I got a small fry. What the fuck?
Not bad, son.
Hey, at least it's something. Good job, Johnny. Thank you. Wish I had a better fish, though.
Yeah, keep trying, you'll get a better fish.
Yes, I got the salmon.
Nice job, son.
Good job, Johnny.
Psst, I think it's working. Yes! No more fighting.
Oh, wow. Nobody has ever handshaken me randomly.
That's how much I'm happy for you. Tug!
No, you win. Oh, Johnny! Fooled ya!
Oh shit, he's drowning! Hold up, I'm coming, son! Johnny! What the fuck is wrong with you? You pushed Harrison in the water?
It's not my fault he couldn't swim.
Why the fuck you pushed my son in the water?
I thought we was having fun.
Y'all can have fun, but don't do that shit no more. You could have killed him. Fuck!
Whatever. What? Oh, so you want to go just because I pushed you in there? Ain't my fault your soft ass can't swim.
Well, you can't expect me to swim all by myself. If it was a mistake, you would have helped me then and there.
Well, it wasn't a mistake. It was on purpose. This is how bullies play. If you not a bully, you can't be friends with me.
Don't fucking touch me.
Make me, chump.
Oh no. Well, we tried. At least it was peaceful while it lasted. Yeah, let's just take our son home. Okay.
Damn, it's so cold.
I'm sorry, son. I knew this was going to be a disaster.
I guess Johnny will never be friends with me. Oh, hey, Mr. Robson.
Hey, my son has something to say to you.
Listen here, nerd. Let me restate that. Harrison. I'm sorry for pushing you in the water. I never meant to because we was having too much fun. It was all my fault this trip was a disaster. We may not be friends again, but can we at least make peace?
Sure. And thanks for apologizing to me. I appreciate it.
No problem. See you at school tomorrow.
You too.
Wow. I wasn't expecting Johnny to apologize to you, but I'm glad he did. Maybe this trip wasn't a failure after all.
Yep, I hear you. Now let's go home.
All right, let's go.